How to add a new credential to your LinkedIn profile and why you should. Maximum your LinkedIn impact when you have completed a training and earned a certificate or a credit. Let the work know. Here's who. Professionally, certificates and credentials can provide a nice little boost to your career prospects. They tell employer that you took the time to learn a skill or focus on area of study to the point where you were competent enough to pass on. Do not confuse certification and with the degree. In many cases, degrees show employer that you have in your area of study. Employer you have studied a special skill or topics. Watch out for training that so-called micro degree. They claim they are giving you a degree for a few months worth of work. A macro degree is not a full degree, it is just another name for a. All that said, let's say you just complete a how do to show it off on LinkedIn. That what this article is going to show you for money for your that you loco the IBM I write about last month. Good for you. It is a party good use of time with some sold training and not all that much brand like you to take the full certificate program myself. I did it over the holidays break using my shell you how you can add a certificate to your linked profile. There is an another industry of management that track earned and provide data to employer and those who want verification of a prospectus. IBM use Credly, but other firms in the technical space include. Be sure to register your certification with the employer creation management. In the case of the IBM, I registration with social sharing option as well as a way for you to print out or share a more formal verified certificate so that a employer has proof you earned the certificate. Know you are ready to add that certificate to your LinkedIn profile. Deposit having a bunch of pre exciting. I did not already.